In today's video, I'll show you how you can select an output device in Fxsound. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Fxsound, and from here, navigate into this drop-down menu on the right side. You click on that, and then you should see all of your output devices. Now choose one on which one you want to use. In my case, I want this one right here, which is basically my headphone. So I'm going to click on this one right here. So as you can see, you will now have this pop-up. You have now chosen the output, Realtek HD audio, second output, and so on. And now you can try to play the sound if it's actually coming through this certain device. If not, then you would need to also change your output here on the Windows setting itself. So you want to navigate in your taskbar here on the bottom right, click on this icon right here, select a sound output, and make sure that it's the same thing in the Fxsound. I'm gonna select as for this one right here, and it's currently gonna automatically select my Fxsound speaker. But yeah, you could still choose your output device in here. So you want to choose this one, not the Fxsound. Click on this one right here. As you can see, it now matches, and it's gonna go back in here into Fxsound speaker. And now it should play on the headphone or in that specific output that you have chosen. And that's how you can select an output device in Fxsound.